Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing assets so Motion Ninja works at peak quality. Import clips and audio, then make a 1080p or 4K project and match the FPS to your footage. This prevents frame blending. Once done, organize files into video, audio, graphics folders so you find things quickly. Set playback to high-quality preview. That ensures accurate grading and motion effects. These first steps reduce rendering surprises and give you a clean foundation to apply effects and color correctly. You now build the edit and refine motion. Start by trimming and assembling clips for rhythm, using ripple edits to preserve timing. Apply global effects on adjustment layers instead of duplicating settings. That saves processing power. When adding motion, use keyframes with ease curves so movement looks natural, and employ masks for targeted corrections. Stabilize shaky footage before color grading because smoothing changes luminance and artifacts. Make sure to preview at full resolution occasionally to confirm how effects interact in real time. You finish by exporting with settings that preserve quality. Choose H, 264/H, 265 and bump bitrate, 1040 Mbps for 1080p, 5100 Mbps for 4K, depending on motion complexity. Once exported, verify audio at 48K Hz and correct bit depth. If you see banding or compression artifacts, re-render problematic clips with a lossless codec or increase output bitrate, then replace and re-export. One key troubleshooting tip: if
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.